first batch. Actually, ito yung nasira na binili ko tape recorder. And, today is December 25, 2022. First month na rin natin. So, first na many, kindly play this sa same day edit ng kasalo natin. Kasi, ngayon pa lang alam ko na ikaw na yung babaeng papakasalan ko. I love you so much and I'll do everything to make you happy. Love you. I love you.
4 days ago, we were celebrating our last anniversary as couple. And now, we are here together celebrating our wedding with all the people we love.
Oh, kasama kong sa katarataduan yun.
Message ko sa sarili ko after 10 years. First of all is, i-congratulate muna kita kasi for sure in the past 10 years marami kang na-achieve. Maging loving husband ka. And at the same time, mahalin mo yung anak mo kung meron. For sure, sana meron na.
Oh, ang ganda ng bride natin today.
Ayaw na natin message sa bride.
Galingan niya later. Just enjoy.
Diba siya na yung last bride namin for this year?
Oo, last bride of the year na namin siya this year. Oo.
Sabi mo noon, nung unang beses mo pa lang akong nakita, you knew exactly in your heart na ako na yung babaeng gusto mong mapangasawa at makasama habang buhay. Excited na kinakabahan. Oh God. Hopefully wag umulan, pero parang umaayon naman yung panahon. So thank you, Lord. Kakasal na ako! Hi love, it's me. Finally, it's our time. Ang tagal nating inantay to and we've worked so hard to get here. Honestly, I've pictured this day 1,000 different ways, but one thing has always stayed the same. It's with you. So I want you to take a few moments to remember this feeling, this exact moment. Kasi after nito, everything changes for the better. And love, I know how much you dislike your surname, pero for me, it's the most beautiful name I could ever have. Because I get to carry a part of you forever. I love you so much, and I can't wait to be your Mrs. Sikin.
Naiiyak na ako.
Ang hiling ko para sa inyong dalawa, isang pagsasamang puno ng pagmamahal, respeto at walang sawang pag-unawaan. Maging sandalan sana kayo sa isa't isa, sa bawat pangarap at bawat hamon, sa bawat tagumpay, lagi ninyong piliin ang isa't isa.
From a simple friend request that I sent last 2017, who would have thought na andito tayo today magpapakasal? Ever since nakilala kita, and every time I feel that my luck is running out, I just look at you and remember the blessings that fell into my life. Sasamahan kita hindi lang sa masasayang araw, masasamahan kita sa mga araw na kailangan natin ng isa't isa.
Marriage is a commitment. Marriage is helping its partner to grow. Kasi we are created by God as imperfect individual. But you are perfectly matched by God. Kaya kayo ang pinagtagpo at tinadhana ng Diyos. Always remember, marriage is a cooperative effort between husband and wife.
When I first met you, I never imagined that the person standing in front of me, holding a Paris bag of Marikina, would be the same person standing with me today in the eyes of God. I guess it's true that fate has its own surprises. I'm amazed by how God wrote our story in the most perfect timing.
Sabi nga niya, huwag kayo mahiya yung mga friends ko kasing energy natin. Para sa'yo lang humor doon. Gano'n. Okay, good.
Hi, Nicole! I'm sure by now nag-work ka pa din. I remember before, sabi mo, kahit nagli-labor ka, uma-attend ka pa rin ng executive meeting. Girl, hindi na yun mangyayari. And I'm sure by now, meron ka ng twins, hopefully, and I know that you are still happily married and very in love. Whatever happens sa life mo, I know naman na ititake mo yung lahat positively. So, continue to be optimistic. Always be open kay Jiro, sa family mo, and of course, to your babies or future kids. And hopefully, by now, sobrang yaman mo na kasi yun talaga yung goal. Be, who you are, continue to be positive, and stay true to yourself. Congrats!
Jiro, Nicole, congratulations for both of you. I'm happy that you're going to be husband and wife. Masayang-masaya ako para kay Jiro kasi finally natagpuan na niya yung the one. At si Nicole yun.
Parang alam ko na agad yung gift niya. May box pa pala siya. Alam ko na kung bakit. Meron talaga siyang kwento. This one kasi is katerno nung wedding ring namin. So, wedding ring namin are both serpentine. Tapos, it has a meaning. Parang it symbolizes yin and yang in love. Hi, wifey! Can't wait to see you later. I love you so much. Please, ingatan mo tong gift ko. And I know, tuwing tinitignan mo tong gift na to, maaalala mo yung wedding day natin.
This gift symbolizes the past, present, and future. Just like our relationship. We've crossed our paths many times in the past, and God has written the best love story for us. Now, we are here today in our special day, and in a few hours, we will be entering a new chapter of our lives. I can't wait to see you down behind and build our future family.
Until our hearts are barely beating.
Sana maligaya kayo ni Nicole sa tatahakin niyo ngayon. Thank you talaga ako kay Lord kasi yan ang binigay sa aking anak eh. Sana lumigaya ka sa tatahakin mo ngayon. Congratulations.
I hope she'll be happy for the rest of her life. I don't know how much or how long I will stay with her, pero I wish her the best of everything. I love her so much.
On and on, on and on.
Excited na akong gumising araw-araw tapos ikaw agad yung una kong makikita. Thank you for your love. Thank you for the love that pushes me forward and accepts me for who I am. I love you, my wifey. Simulan na natin yung forever natin.
I don't know what I ever did to be so lucky to have you, and it's hard to say how much you mean to me on a piece of paper. But lucky for me, I have a whole lifetime to tell you. I promise to hold your hand as we grow old, and I will choose you every single day, in tears and in laughter, in this world and in the next. I'm excited to spend the rest of our lives together and to build a family that we can finally call our own. I love you always, and I will continue to love you even more.